croeso I Good News Friday. My name's Nick Pearce, this is Luna the Beagle, and today on this last Good News Friday of 2020, we bring you good news and positive vibes from around the globe. First, my favourite and yours, Juliana from Toronto. Over to you, Juliana and Brian.
Hello from Toronto!
Hi everyone. It's been a while since our last update. I think it was summertime then, and now it's coming up to the holidays, and it's getting chilly willy here, although it's not too bad. No snow or anything like that. Anyways, it's been a challenging year for a lot of people, and we wish that everybody is safe and happy and healthy and enjoying the time that we're blessed to be with our families, and looking forward to 2021. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we wish everybody all the best. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Juliana and Brian, absolutely brilliant. And now over to Cologne in Germany, Doro and Lars.
Hello, this is Dorothy
And Lars.
from Cologne in Germany. We are very close to the next lockdown, but we are very well prepared. We have a pepperoni tree, sausages,
Self-made cheese and smoked ham.
and since last week a fantastic sourdough, so we could make a lot of awesome bread. Thanks a lot to Nick. Works perfect. To all of you, take care, stay healthy, and have a great Christmas and a happy New Year.
Take it easy.
Thanks, Doro and Lars, impressive sourdough. And now over to my bride in Waterloo, Belgium, Chris Thorman Jones. Shmai, Chris.
Hello and greetings from Belgium on the last Good News Friday of 2020. It seems like only yesterday I was doing my first recording in the summer, as time has really flown by. I think one of the benefits or the advantages of being stuck at home has been that we've been able to use a lot of the social media to connect with friends that I have not been able to see this year. We've had some good fun having beers and video chats on Saturday nights. But of course that doesn't make up for the physical contact with friends and family, and that is something that I hope will really change early next year. So on that note, I just want to wish everybody a Nadolig, Llawen and Blwyddyn, Newydd, a happy Christmas and an even better New Year. Joyeux Noël et bonne année.
Nice one, Chris Lamby Pie. And now over to an old friend of Object Matrix, Annabella in Argentina. Hola!
Hi, I wish you happy holidays from Argentina, and the good news is that that we adopted this kitten.
And now, with a shortened version of the 12 Days of Christmas, I give you the one and only Christy King in the US of A. Over to you, Christy.
On the first day of COVID, my client said to me, "Don't worry about it. We'll pick this up in a couple of weeks." And my dog is thrilled that I seem to never leave. On the second day of COVID, my client said to me, "It might be a bit longer. Do you have VPN access?" And my dog is thrilled that I never leave. On the 10th day of COVID, my client said to me, "What happened to day 3 through 10? Hell if I know." And my dog is beyond thrilled I never leave. On the 12th day of COVID, my client said to me, "Good luck. We'll see you next year. Happy holidays, everybody. Stay safe."
And now from the shores of the Severn Estuary to our friend Lisa, also in Germany.
Hello everybody, with wonderful and beloved Christmas wishes from Cologne. I wish you also a very happy and healthy New Year 2021. Please stay safe the whole year and the next very important month, and take care of you and your family, and hopefully we meet in person very soon in 2021. Take care.
And now live from the snowy Canadian outback is our good friend Steve Strong. Over to you, Steve.
Hi there, Steve Strong. I'm one of the partners at Synesis Oceania. Typically I come from Los Angeles, California. That's my home base. Today I'm in northern Ontario, Canada, as you can see on a frozen lake in a very, very remote location. In Canada, in order for me to see my family and friends for Christmas, I had to come in quarantine for 14 days, and I'm lucky enough to have this lake property. The only way into it is, well, this time was hiking in through the bush, which is about 7 miles, 8 miles. Typically it's across the lake, which it's easy to do. What a year. So thankful that everybody in my family, all my friends, we've been healthy and safe. Wonderful people that I work with at Synesis, so supportive, just salt of the earth, give their all every day. Our clients, our customer bases, man, we couldn't do it without you guys. Love you all, take care, see you, bye.
And now some much needed pooch action with Jamie the Pooch with Tamara in Germany.
Hello everyone, it is I, Jamie the Pooch, and I'm wishing you and your families a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay safe, stay healthy, just like I did. I was home nearly all year with my human, and it was amazing.
And now some positive reflections from the running man himself, Craig in Aberdeen, Scotland. Over to you, Craig.
Well, this is no good if I'm going to try and type, is it? Oh, hang on a sec. Ah, there we go. So, from the Aberdeen outpost of Avid, just like to wish everyone a really happy Christmas. Crazy bonkers year for everybody, but I did a ton of running, loads and loads of medals. I do like a bit of bling, so that's the good news really from this year. Also, we've all survived. Hope everyone is fit and healthy. Stay well and have a great Christmas. Bye, and hopefully in 2021 we can actually get to see people, get together and have a drink. Good luck, take care, and hope to see everyone in 21. Happy Christmas.
Now we're heading down to Chile in Latin America to hear from our great amigo Francisco. Hola, Francisco.
Hola, les quiero mandar un saludo a todos mis amigos de Object Matrix desde Santiago de Chile. Saludo por supuesto de fiestas de fin de año, de Navidad, Año Nuevo. Contarles que este año, a pesar de todo lo malo que ha sido, ha tenido sus aspectos positivos. Hemos podido estar más en familia. Me ha obligado a hacer más deporte en mi bicicleta que está ahí. Sara, ¿la puedes mostrar por favor? Estar más con mis hijos, José y Sara. Sara la que está grabando y José que mira ahí abajo con los perros. ¿Ya? Y también idear formas nuevas de hacer negocio, ponerse más creativo. Así que yo creo que dentro de todo ha sido un año bueno. Y nada, les mando un gran saludo a todos los amigos de todo el mundo. Un abrazo.
Heading down to the south coast of the UK in England, Nikki. Hey Nikki.
Happy Christmas to you all from the wilds of Hampshire.
Some positive news from Object Matrix Towers this year is that we've had the best year ever commercially, and that's down to an amazing team that's shown real strength, resilience, flexibility, and just doggedness, real doggedness to battle through. We've also got some amazing partners, reseller vendors, technical partners, and of course a super customer community who committed to the projects they planned and did a lot more besides. They also did a huge amount of talking about us with their community, which meant that we ended up with not just the best year ever in orders, but new customers in Latin America, the US and Europe. So John and I couldn't be more proud of the team and more proud of the effort that we've made this year. A huge diolch yn fawr to everyone. On a personal note, it's been an incredible year in terms of spending much more time with my family than I'm used to. I'm not in a plane getting irradiated every 6 weeks. I'm not sure the boys will agree, but I've certainly really treasured being around them a lot more and seeing them grow up even for the last 12 months. Of course, my love of all things green and green screen, that's been a huge positive for me. And whilst we haven't been able to see each other face to face, this pandemic period has actually enabled myself to grow and strengthen relationships with people around the world, with weekly meetings online, having a drink on a Thursday, getting to know each other probably in a more meaningful way than we would have by bumping each other into a pub at one of the many trade shows. So that is to be thankful for. And one group in particular, the Waggies, the Welsh, American, Greek, Irish, Scots, you guys have helped to get me through this year, and I hope that I've been able to help in some small way as well. So on that note, I think again, please search out the positives, tell stories about good things and celebrate the good stuff. Have a fantastic holiday, take care of each other and be safe. Diolch yn fawr iawn and Nadolig Llawen.
Open famous reindeer of home. We're off to let reindeer and we're Calinos. And it's their first Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And how the shoes walk in.